Now next question we have, convert 3.5 meters into centimeters. So 3.5, as you know, 1 meter is 100 centimeter times 100. So when you multiply, this will be 3500. Okay, so one decimal place is here, so this is 350 centimeters. So we are going to put ring around here, right? Now the next question, the table shows the height of 3 children, Yuri, Mia and Lily. You can see this is the height. The graph shows the same information. So in graph A, B, C, we have 3 different graphs here. Explain which graph shows the results most clearly. Explain your answer. So if you look at this, the horizontal axis is same. On the height, this is divided into 100, 200, 300. The whole graph is empty here. Then this is 50, 100, difference of 50. This is the smallest difference here, that is drawn here. So you can see clearly the graph here. So this graph shows clear results than the other two. So we are going to write down here the answer. Which graph? We will write down here graph C. And for the explanation, we will write scale on vertical axis. Scale on vertical axis makes easier to see the difference. Makes easier to see the difference, right? Now the next one we have, draw a line to join each division question. These are division questions to correct rounding decision. So that means we are going to divide here. 16 apples are put into bag of 5. How many full bags are needed? So 16 divided by 5. 16 divided by 5 gives you 3.2. I'm just writing here 3.2, right? Then a minibus holds 10 people, 56 are going on a trip. So how many minibuses are needed? So we are dividing 56 by 10, which is 5.6. This is going to be 5.6. We will see later how we are rounding. A pumpkin cost $3. How many can you buy with the 10? So 10 divided by 3, this is 3.3. Okay. Now next one, 35 candles are put into 4 boxes. How many boxes are needed to hold? So 35 divided by 4. This is 4 times 7, 8 is 32. It is 8.7, right? So now see, 3.2 will be rounded down, because 3.2, this digit is less than 5, so this will be rounded down. That answer will be 2. 5.6, this digit is more than 5, so we are going to round it up. 3.3 is rounded down because this right hand digit is less than 5, and this will be rounded up. Okay. Now the next question, draw a reflection in this mirror line. So if you see here we have one, you can say gap here, one dot here, so it will come here. Then we have 3 here, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is going to come over here. So it's like this, and here we have to join this one and this here. So it is going to come like this. Please use ruler to draw this one. And now next we have, a bag contains 24 beads which are red, green or blue. 1 by 3 of the beads are red, 1 by 4 are blue. How many are green? We are looking for green. So this one is 1 by 3 of the beads, that is 1 by 3 of 24. So 3 times 8 is 24. So we have 8 red beads, and the blue one we have 1 by 4 are blue. So 4 times 6, this is 6, right? And we are looking for the green. So green are going to be 24 were total minus 8 plus 6. So this is 24 minus 14, that is 10. So our final answer is 10 beads, right? Now number 11 we have here, complete this. 19 divided by 3, 19 divided by 3, 6 times 3 it is 18 and remainder is 1. We are going to put remainder here 1. And this one 4 times 3 plus 3, this is 12 plus 3, it is 15, over 4 we already have, so we are going to write down 15 here, right.